Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Notes channel. Today we are going to be learning how to deactivate Facebook and Messenger account. If you wish to deactivate your Facebook and Messenger account, you can follow these general steps. First of all, open the Facebook app. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Setting and Privacy. Then select Setting. In Setting and Privacy, you can see here Account Center. Tap on it and scroll down. Tap on Personal Details. In Personal Detail, you can see here Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your accounts and profiles. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Choose your Facebook account and tap on Deactivate account and scroll down. You can see here Continue. Tap on it and follow the further instruction to deactivate your Facebook account. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.